Is Reddit down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Reddit right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. As you can see, if you go to Reddit status, they have identified an internal system issue and they are working to determine a fix, and also they are currently offline and they are working to identify the issue. If you try to go on Reddit, as you can see, they already say something went wrong. Please refresh this page or browse other Reddit communities. And then if we go to Twitter, and then if you search for Reddit, and if you go to latest tweets, you will see that many people are complaining with Reddit right now. There are some problems. So you are not the only one who has problems with Reddit. You don't have to worry about this problem. It's not from you, it's from them. So you just have to wait until they fix it. But if you still want to try and fix it, you should restart your device, log out, and then log in once again and see if it works. So if you do have issues with Reddit right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and what specific problem do you have, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.